What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about how you guys can get a video on your Amazon FBA listing. Now I know some of you guys are probably wondering or seeing these people that have these videos on here. So I went on a listing, angle as a ruler of course, scroll all the way down and you basically see this video here, right? It's very professional, very, straight to the point. And what you guys need to do in order to do this is go to Fiverr and find people that are going to be able to be a vendor for your account and create a video for your account. So when you go on here, all you have to do, you can search up this guy. A lot of people like him and recommend him. Let me see here. He is out of office till July 29th though. But basically what you guys can do, now some of you guys probably have only one listing that you want to get a video for, and you just have to contact him. Somebody said it was 75 bucks, so you guys can contact him about that. And the way you create this video, you don't want to create this video yourself. You want to get a professional to do it. And how do you do that? You go through Fiverr again, right? So all you guys have to do is literally just find people. I will create video about Warcraft. And there's a lot of people that are on here that will create amazing videos for you, ranging from $15 or $30 to even $100. Now I recommend you get somebody that has tons of reviews and has examples on their listing of the good the videos that they can do about your product. So maybe video review. Yeah, you can do someone like this, or there was another person. You just want something that you want someone where that's going to create a video for you. That's going to be very HD and high quality, and it's only going to be like 45 to maybe a minute and 20 seconds. So that way you're going to be able to explain to each customer that follows on your listing everything that they need to know about the product. And this is going to help you in the long run, because if you don't start out with a lot of reviews, that's fine, but you guys, once you get this video, it's going to help you differentiate from everybody else. You got to remember, a lot of these sellers that you're competing against, most of them probably don't even know what they're doing. So if you're going to be able to throw up a video in there, it's going to make you look apart from everybody else. And then when customers land on your listing, it's going to make you look more official, and make it look like your brand is more credible. And if you have this in combination with maybe a video review as well, it's going to really help you boost your ranking and your your listing above everybody else's. And when you think about it, even if you don't have a whole bunch of reviews and stuff, a whole bunch of reviews to start out or do a product launch, by having this review on your listing, like I said, it's going to make you look official, make you look more professional. So that's something that you guys definitely want to check out. It's really cool, really easy to do. So once you guys get this video review for your product, make it get done professionally. Now it doesn't have to be like professional like commercial wise. I mean, yeah, of course have it like a commercial. Well, you can really just have a person like, from the screen to me, just make sure it's HD and everything, and then have them talk about the product, what brand it is, how to use it, what it's for, etc. All in that like 45 seconds to a minute 20 seconds, just to give that customer, an overview, without them just having to read everything on your listing, and then go based off of that. So it's very useful, very powerful tool. I believe you don't have to be brand registered anymore to do this. So that's great. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really wanted to talk about in this video. It's very easy to do, and usually it takes around, I believe, like a week to 2 weeks to get your video, and then for this vendor to get your video up on your listing. This is a very awesome tool that you guys can use if you have any, if your budget's a little bit higher. So yep, just create a good video, go on Fiverr. And the cool thing is with all this stuff, and I mentioned this in a previous video, is using outsourcing to your advantage. Like, it's very, very powerful. So you guys should definitely use this. You can even outsource pictures for your product. You can outsource product listings. And no, this isn't against terms of services. It's fine because you're going through somebody else's account and they're going onto your listing and putting this video up. It's not like you're doing that all by yourself. So with that being said, guys, make sure you like down below. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see next, because I'm all open to ideas, and I have plenty of templates on how you guys can get started with Amazon FBA down in the description below. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.